Hello, welcome to this update. We have the remnants of Storm Martinho in Spain still, and Portugal, and a lot of snow in the Pyrenees, especially today. And we do have some snow in the Alps as well, some rain in Italy. And during this last week, there was a lot of heavy rain in Spain, in those areas with some river flooding and everything. So let's see. This storm from Spain will still cause more rain in southern France and maybe a few thunderstorms today and tomorrow, and then into Italy again, potentially Sunday morning or in the middle of the night shows more snow on the Alps as well, so be careful. And still shows later like this scared moisture Sunday all the way to Slovakia and Poland, some rain down to the Balkans as well, and still shows some rain in Spain Sunday, some snow in the Pyrenees and northern Morocco. So Sunday still shows until Monday in the Adriatic Sea and the Balkans, and northeastern Europe, like Monday to Tuesday, maybe some rain or some snow, and then the show storms the Mediterranean still, especially the Adriatic Sea by later Monday to Tuesday, and like some showers near Malta, a storm or two in Tunisia next week, and still some rain in France and Spain. So this goes, and still some snow in the Alps, the 26th and the 27th, maybe a little bit. And then this goes towards Eastern Europe, some more snow and rain late on the 28th. But yet again on the 29th or 28th shows some rain like Germany, France, and maybe some snow too. And show like on the 29th, some more snow in the Alps and more spots there. So be aware of this snow. Be aware, especially on the Pyrenees. There, these models are not so high resolution, but there are other ones that show like close to 50 centimeters in spots there. And yeah, be careful. The GFS has a similar thing, that system in Spain, into southern France and the Alps, today into Sunday, still by Sunday some snow in the Pyrenees, and then it does have some rain in southern Spain and Morocco, with some snow in the mountains, and like next Monday does have some rain further north in Europe, and more like some snow in the Alps too. So Monday, Tuesday, still more rain in the Balkans, some snow in the Alps, and then this goes maybe like Wednesday, some more rain through Central Eastern Europe, and here does show like the snow next 5 days or something, the Iberian Peninsula, so does show those northern mountains there, shows a lot. The red's 25 to 50 centimeters, especially on the Pyrenees, shows more, close to 40 centimeters, or even more, so be careful. There's for the Alps too, and let's see if it works here. So it does show a lot in some areas too, because it's more high resolution. Even shows some spots in purple, close to 75 to 100 centimeters next 5 days, spot or two of the Alps, some more in the eastern Alps as well, but especially in the western Alps, so be careful. Some snow there next 5 days. We have these below average temperatures in southwestern Europe and northwestern Africa, and we have some above average kind of northern Europe into Eastern Europe, and then it still shows slightly below average on the 26th in the west, but later does shows finally some above average later on April 1st, March 31st, but does show some below average probably on April 1st since Central Eastern Europe, and then yeah, so be aware. The European has a similar thing, the below average in the Iberian Peninsula, some above average in other areas. So be careful there. The temperatures are still like mild but cold in the mountains and some spots there, especially in the Alps, close to 0, -4, and in the north there, some -11, some -2. And let's see here the rest. I hope you can hear me because I'm kind of sick. But let's see. So Sunday shows some milder temperatures further south in Europe, some 19 in Italy, some 16, but in Spain still a little bit below average, especially in the Pyrenees, but show like in green in Iceland slightly colder too. So Sunday shows like Sunday to Monday colder in Norway, Sweden, and Iceland, still in the Alps and central Spain and Portugal. Those colder temperatures there, all the way to -6 in Morocco as well. And this goes Monday into Tuesday, shows some colder in Russia, but still like Norway, Sweden, northern Finland, and Iceland. So Monday, Tuesday, does show Wednesday morning, kind of in Belarus and Russia, slightly colder, spots of Spain still, and then Wednesday still shows like Norway, Sweden, and Finland, northern Finland and Russia, and Iceland there. And yeah, so Thursday into Friday still like Central Europe, the 28th in the morning, a little bit colder, and Central Spain as well. Some areas this goes, and later is kind of far to figure out, but the show on the 30th spots of France, the UK as well, slightly colder, but nothing that crazy. And yeah, so be aware, especially that snow in those areas, and quite windy spots of the Mediterranean today, Saturday. So especially Spain and France, southern France, slightly higher gust spots in the on the Pyrenees, and central southern Spain there. So be aware, close to some 72 km per hour gusts, 75 to 87. So be aware spots of Norway too, and yeah, so be careful. And this is Saturday. This goes until Sunday. Some more spots of Tunisia, off the coast of Morocco, the Canary Islands, slightly gustier. So Sunday, this goes in central Algeria and Libya, slightly stronger too, and southern Italy, all the way to 84 km per gust. Spots in Morocco too, and this changes all the time, but be aware, like Monday, spots in Russia, Belarus, and still in Northern Africa, some spots there. So be aware, the Adriatic Sea, this goes, and like still sometimes the Mediterranean near France or Spain. And be aware, and up there in Norway and Sweden, it shows mainly in the sea, but does show some stronger gusts sometimes in Norway, like Monday, some other spots, maybe Tuesday, northernmost Norway and Finland, into Russia, maybe in Iceland a day or two, the 27th, maybe some larger waves too. So be aware, those areas does show like there's not much happening in Norway now, but does show maybe snow Tuesday, Norway, Finland, spots of Sweden in Russia and Iceland, maybe Wednesday in Iceland, and some more days as well. And until like Saturday the 29th shows some snow to northern Norway, spots of Iceland, maybe some ice in a spot or two. So be aware as well. And later some more in Iceland on the first days of April maybe. So be aware, there's the snow here until like the 27th, shows in Norway, some more close to even 68 centimeters, spots to 79, some more in Iceland too, some for Finland and Sweden. So be aware. And like I think I showed you Central Spain in the other model. There's the GFS as well, has some more in the Balkans too, and even some in Estonia, the Baltics. And until like April 3rd, the GFS has more in Eastern Europe, and the European, not much, has some more in the Alps until the 3rd, but has more in Iceland and Norway, and some spots there. So be aware, stay safe. But in terms of rain, it might be heavier to spots of at the Balkans. It shows all the way to 300 millimeters, spots of Bosnia, but it's until April 3rd. Let's go a little bit less further out. Next 5 days already shows like southern Croatia, some heavy rain. The GFS not much, some 89 millimeters, but the icons also some 128 and more. There's some rain northern Africa too, and other spots for Central Europe. And then there's the European that goes all the way to Russia, some rain until the 27th, and until uh, April 1st, there's some more southeastern Europe, maybe some more Norway and Iceland, but there's mostly snow. But yeah, be careful, those areas are rain.